A British judge has ruled that a Muslim woman could not give evidence at her trial wearing a full-face veil, sparking a debate about whether Britain should follow other European countries and ban Islamic veils in schools and public places. Senior politicians played down the likelihood of a ban after one minister said the coalition government should consider forbidding full-face veils, or niqabs, in schools, a measure that is gaining support from some members of parliament.
I don't think we should be banning the veil. I don't think we should be doing what other countries do, which is issuing edicts from politicians and civil servants about what we can and cannot wear. I mean, soon people will be saying we should be stopping people wearing a cross on a necklace around their neck. We are a free country where people are free to express who they are, what their identity is, what faith and what communities they belong to.
The case comes as the government considers how to better integrate Britain's 2.7 million Muslims without restricting the right to freedom of religious expression. Some believe a veil ban would free some young Muslims who are being forced to cover up.
I think it's time for women to make a clear statement that actually real empowerment for women comes from being able to fully communicate in society, not from, I feel, regressive attitudes that actually say that women should be hidden from view.
There have been growing calls from some British lawmakers for a ban on veils in schools. Last week, Birmingham Metropolitan College said it would ban staff and students from wearing them, but days later reversed the decision after criticism and protests. Some Muslim organizations say banning the veil would be restricting freedom of religion.
If you believe in individual freedom, then you should believe that all people, irrespective of their faith, irrespective of their gender, should be free to practice their faith and choose how to dress.
Prime Minister David Cameron has previously said state multiculturalism has failed, but Britain has steered clear of following the examples of France and Belgium, where it is illegal for women to wear full face veils in public, while in other countries like Germany and Canada, a partial ban is in place or being considered. Countries that have banned niqabs and burqas also cited safety concerns. Proponents of a ban say that it is mandatory to remove a motorcycle helmet when entering banks and other public places, and a face-covering veil is no different.